If you're looking for free alternatives to Photoshop, then watch this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install GIMP on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So to download GIMP on Windows 10, open your favorite browser and search for GIMP. Then open the link from GIMP.org. Don't worry about the link will be on the description box. And here we get the official website of GIMP. GIMP is a free and open source image editor. With the help of this software, you can do anything you want to do with your image. So to download this software, just click on download, and here we have the download page. Here you can see the current stable version is 2.10.8, and here you can see the release date. GIMP software is also available for other operating systems such as Linux, Mac OS. So for now we are just going to download for Windows. So here you can see GIMP for Windows, and here we have two download options. One is from BitTorrent and another one is directly. So we are going to directly download the GIMP software. Here you can see it is downloading and it is around 200 MB. So let me complete the download, and after that I will show you how you can install GIMP on your Windows 10. Here you can see the download is complete. Let us open the software to install it. Then click on yes, and here you can see here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser and let me select English as my default language and click on OK. And here we have the setup page. Let us click on install. So here you can see that GIMP software is installing on my computer. And here you can see the installation of GIMP is successful. Let me click on finish. Now to open the GIMP software, just click on start button and search for GIMP software. Here you can see the GIMP software. So let me open this GIMP software. And finally here we get our GIMP software. I had already told you that with the help of this GIMP software, you can manipulate your image. And here you get all the required tools you need to edit your photo. If you are new to GIMP and you don't know how to use this GIMP software, then visit their website gimp.org, and here you get tutorials, and here you can go through the tutorial. So this is all about GIMP software. And if you are also looking for MS Office alternative, then watch this video. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.